In our previous quest, we can say that a polynomial looks like this. This one has 3 terms, right? So to add polynomials, we simply add any like terms together. So, what is a like term? Like terms are terms whose variables and their exponents, such as the 2 in the x squared, are the same. In other words, terms that are like each other. Welcome to Puzzle Academy, the place where we can help you to build the pieces to the puzzle of success. Thanks for choosing to spend time with us today. If you are new here, we are happy to welcome you. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram at puzzleacademy.learn. Let us take notes that the coefficients or the numbers we multiply by, such as 5 in 5x, can be different. For example, 7x, x, negative 2x, or pi x are all like terms because the variables are all x. Another one, 1/3 xy squared, negative 2xy squared, 6xy squared, xy squared over 2 are all like terms as well because the variables are all xy squared. Lastly, these examples are not like terms because the variables and their exponents are different. For example, 2x, 2x squared, 2y, and 2xy. Now, in adding polynomials, there are 2 steps that we need to do. First, we need to place like terms together. Then after that, we need to add the like terms. And for our first example, add 2x squared plus 6x plus 5 and 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. So we will start by writing the given. The next one is we place like terms together. So we have 2x squared plus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2x and plus 5 minus 1, which is we group the coefficient. So we have 2 plus 3 x squared plus the quantity 6 minus 2 x plus 5 minus 1. Then we add the like terms. So 2 plus 3 is 5x squared plus 6 minus 2 we have 4x, and lastly 5 minus 1 we have 4. So the final answer would be 5x squared plus 4x plus 4. Here is another example. We have 6x squared plus 10x minus 7 plus 2x squared plus 4x. So we place like terms together like this one. So 6 plus 2x squared, then plus 10 plus 4x plus negative 7. Then we add the coefficient, or we add like terms. So 6 plus 2 is 8x squared, 10 plus 4 is 14x, and the negative 7 will remain. And at this point, we have to take note that there was no like terms for the negative 7 in the other polynomial, so we didn't have to add anything to it. We can also add them in columns like this. So we write the same given, make sure we line up the same terms. So we add 6x squared plus 2x squared, we have 8x squared. Then positive 10x plus 4x, we have 14x. Then we just bring down the negative 7. So we get the same answer. What about adding several polynomials? We can add several polynomials together like this. So for example, add 2x squared plus 6x plus 3xy and 3x squared minus 5xy minus x and 6xy plus 5. So first we line them up in columns and add. So in our left side, we have 2x squared plus 3x squared. That is 5x squared. The next term is 6y. And since we don't have the same terms like 6y, so we just bring it down. And for the third term, we have 3xy plus negative 5xy plus 6xy. So we add them, that is 4xy. And for the fourth term, we have negative x. So since we don't have negative x in the terms, we just bring it down. And lastly, we have positive 5 or plus 5. Same with x, so we just bring down the positive 5. Using columns helps us to match the correct terms together in a complicated sum. In this part, we will subtract polynomials. To subtract polynomials, first, reverse the sign of each term we are subtracting. In other words, turn positive into negative and negative into positive. Then add as usual like this. So we have 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9 minus the quantity 2y squared plus 2xy minus 3. Make sure we line them up with the same terms. And then we reverse the sign of each term in the second polynomials. It will become negative 2y squared minus 2xy plus 3. Then we perform addition. So 5y squared plus negative 2y squared, it will become 3y squared. For the second term, we have positive 2xy plus negative 2xy, that is 0. And for the third and final term, we have negative 9 plus positive 3, we have negative 6. And the final answer would be 3y squared minus 6. In this case, we need to take note, after subtracting 2xy from 2xy, we ended up with 0. So there's no need to mention the xy term anymore. You've come this far. I know you can do this. You know already how to add and subtract polynomials. And we will continue our journey in the next quest.